Avocado, scientifically known as Persea americana, has gained widespread popularity as a versatile and nutritious fruit. Renowned for its creamy texture and mild flavor, avocados are not just a culinary delight but also a powerhouse of essential nutrients that contribute to a range of health benefits. From heart health to weight management, avocados have earned their place as a superfood. In this video, we will explore the top 10 health benefits of consuming avocados. 1. Rich in nutrients, avocados are a nutrient-dense fruit, containing an impressive array of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin B6, folate, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining overall health, supporting immune function, and aiding in various bodily processes. 2. Heart health, avocados are an excellent source of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. These healthy fats have been associated with reducing bad cholesterol levels, LDL, and increasing good cholesterol levels, HDL, which in turn can lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. 3. Weight management, despite being calorie-rich, avocados can be beneficial for weight management. The high fiber content and monounsaturated fats promote satiety, helping to control appetite and prevent overeating. Additionally, these fats are metabolized efficiently, contributing to a feeling of fullness. 4. Eye health, avocados contain carotenoids such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which are essential for eye health. These compounds have been linked to a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, two common eye conditions. 5. Skin benefits, the vitamin E content in avocados supports healthy skin by acting as an antioxidant that helps protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Avocado oil is also used in skincare products for its moisturizing and nourishing properties. 6. Digestive health, avocados are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is essential for promoting a healthy digestive system. Fiber aids in regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports a balanced gut microbiome. 7. Bone health, vitamin K is crucial for bone health as it assists in calcium absorption and bone mineralization. Avocados provide a significant amount of vitamin K, contributing to the maintenance of strong and healthy bones. 8. Blood sugar regulation, despite their creamy texture, avocados have a relatively low glycemic index due to their high fiber and healthy fat content. Including avocados in your diet can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a suitable choice for individuals with diabetes. 9. Anti-inflammatory properties, numerous compounds found in avocados, such as phytosterols and polyhydroxylated fatty alcohols, exhibit anti-inflammatory effects. These properties can contribute to reduced inflammation throughout the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases. 10. Nutrient absorption, some nutrients, such as vitamins A, D, E, and K, are fat-soluble, meaning they require dietary fats for proper absorption. The healthy fats in avocados enhance the absorption of these essential nutrients, ensuring that the body can utilize them effectively. In conclusion, avocados offer a remarkable array of health benefits due to their nutrient-rich composition. Incorporating avocados into a balanced diet can positively impact heart health, weight management, eye health, skin health, digestion, bone health, blood sugar regulation, inflammation reduction, and nutrient absorption. However, it's essential to enjoy avocados in moderation, as their caloric content can add up quickly. Whether mashed onto toast, blended into a smoothie, or added to salads, avocados can be a delicious and healthful addition to one's diet, contributing to a healthier and more vibrant lifestyle.